Subscribe the Rubiks Technique channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Hello cubers! Welcome to Rubiks Technique, where I upload videos about cubing. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a popped up 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Many people ask me about it. For them, I am making this video. Let's begin. After watching this video, you will be able to fix any cube, whether it might be speed cube or not a speed cube. The equipments we will need are a flathead screwdriver and a screwdriver which has 4 heads and looks like an arrow. So, first I will tell you how to remove a piece. After that, I will tell you how to fix a piece. So, let's get started. To take out a piece, first we have to hold your cube like this. So insert your one finger in here and take the flathead screwdriver. Insert it here and just twist it. As you can see, insert it here and just twist. So here this cover comes out. In there is a screw inside there. So you have to replace the flathead screwdriver with the 4-head screwdriver. We have to 5 wrist turns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 wrist turns and just rotate your layer like this. Hold this edge and twist out. You can't say this is a broken piece. It's just popped out. And to remove all the pieces, you will easily get removed all the pieces, as you can see. So we will take it here. Just don't apply too much pressure on them. After that, fix the center cover on here, or you will not identify them. We will keep it aside and collect all the pieces. We will distinguish between the edge pieces and the corner pieces. So it will be easy to fix them again back. To take away these pieces here. So we have distinguished all pieces. Now we will fix it. In this part I have kept the edge pieces. In this part I have kept the corner pieces. First I will take this part. After that, find the blue and white piece. This is the edge piece. I will take it here. Fix it between this. You can see. This is fixed like this. After that, find the orange and white piece. Where is it? This is orange and yellow. Here it is. Now we have to fix a corner here, which is white, orange and blue. We'll find the white, orange and blue. Here it is. So we will put the cube, put the piece back in here. So when we put the piece like this, or your piece may turn like this. So just we have to turn it where it is to be adjusted. Now we will find the orange and the blue piece. Now our first part is ready. As you can see, the second part You have to find the blue and the red piece. Here it is. So you have to fix it in here. You can see. Turn it like this. So now a second part is also ready. I have to find the yellow and the blue piece. Here it is. Now you will be there will be difficulty putting this piece back in here. So you have to insert it like this and turn it 2 times. As you can see, this comes here easily. Now you have to find the yellow, blue and the red piece. See. Now we have to find the blue, orange and yellows. Where is the piece? Blue, orange and yellow. So it will go in here. In here. Now we have to put the last layer back. So we will remove this pair like this here and put the other pieces, which are the green and orange. So green and orange is here. We have to put it back. So there will be easy while putting it back. We will put it back. So here will be the orange, yellow and the green corner. Orange, yellow and green corner. We will insert this piece back, this pair F12 pair back. So we will insert it back again. Insert it back and put this piece in here. You can see. I have to take this a little down like this and insert it. I have to find the yellow and the green edge piece and fix it like this. So you have to turn this down a little bit down, put it in here and bring it back. Now take it here and to its correct position. Find the yellow, green and the red piece. Yellow, green and the red piece. Here it is. You have to turn this a little, insert it in here and take it up. Find the red and the green piece. Insert it. You might be getting problem. So we'll turn a little again. Insert and turn it up. So here is the last row remaining. Now what we have to do is take these 3 pieces. First means we'll put the corner back in here. We'll turn it a little. Make it correct. In the other corner, turn it a little. Here you might get problem. So you have to turn it here again and fix this piece in here. As you can see, our cube got fixed. Now in the starting we have did 5 wrist turns. Now just we have to 5 opposite wrist turns. So here it is. To turn it to right, you have to just apply pressure, a little pressure. You have to count them. So these are they. Now a cube is ready. Just put back the center cover. As you can see, Our cube is ready.